Yeah. Can you walk us through how you ended up in your current role? Was this always something that you knew you wanted to do when you were in school, when you're growing up, or was there something along the way that set you on this path of now becoming so experienced, such a veteran presence in the data center ecosystem?
Sure, happy to. Like I said, my name is Viggy Hegde. Been in the marketing space for over 20 years. Interesting enough, when you ask that question about growing up, the inspiration and the aspirations of being a marketer, it's an interesting combination. I did my bachelor's in applied art in marketing specialization, and then later I did my MBA in information technology. So it's kind of it's not necessarily in the same space, but that was very interesting. And then I jumped onto the IT wagon back early 2000, and worked in a variety, pretty much all areas of marketing. We use the term marketing very loosely, but each functional area of a marketing department could be its own department. So I worked in pretty much all space, from corporate communication, marcom, to demand generation, digital marketing, and marketing operations. And worked in a variety of companies, from high growth SaaS companies to Fortune 100. And interesting enough, last 15 or so years of my career has been very closely tied to the data center industry, specifically in colocation, hyperscale, cloud, and interconnection. And most recently, I moved to, as you mentioned, to Compu Dynamics as their VP and head of marketing. Compu Dynamics is a market leader in design, build, and maintain the critical infrastructure for data centers across the country. So this is an interesting move for me, because I've been part of the data center providers. Now I'm on the other side of the fence, where Compu Dynamics provides service to data centers, and we are a very critical component in making a data center a data center. So this is what a really interesting shift, and was really exciting for me. And it's becoming even more important in the age of AI, where the traditional data centers need to convert them, or the modern data center needs to be built to support the requirement of really high density GPUs and HPUs, HPCs, to support the AI deployments.